Hey guys, Shubham this side. I'm back again with another topic. So like we learned how do we design this landing page in FlexiFunnels in my last video. So now we'll just see like how to connect your domain because see this is a custom like subdomain provided by FlexiFunnels. So I have just written shubham.flexifunnels.com. But let's say we want our domain something like my domain is Pixel Growth Studio .com/sales, right? So we want something like this. So it's showing that there was no page found, right? So we want something like this. So what I'm going to do is in project setting, there's a general setting option. So first you have to add your domain here in the settings of FlexiFunnels, and there's a complete instruction how to add it. So what I'm going to do is I have connected my domain here in FlexiFunnels dashboard. Okay, so what I'll do is go in general setting and then just click on pixelgrowthstudio.com and I'll just click on save. So now it says the image and links will be mapped in 3 minutes. So obviously you have to wait for 3 minutes, but I don't think so. It requires so much of time. I'll just check if it's live now. Yeah, it's live. So in just it didn't even take 30 seconds, I guess. So just in 30 seconds, we have connected Pixel Growth Studio, like the domain with the page we had. So first it was shubham.flexifunnels.com/sales. Now it's pixelgrowthstudio.com/sales. So it's that easy to build a landing page in, FlexiFunnels and then connecting it within 30 seconds. So that's it, guys. This was a tutorial of how do you connect your domain in FlexiFunnels. Let me know in the comment box what kind of tutorials do you want, and I would just record these tutorials and bring up to you on daily basis.